ASP.NET Web Forms is a powerful framework developed by Microsoft. It is part of the ASP.NET ecosystem and helps developers build dynamic server-side web applications quickly and efficiently. ASP.NET Web Forms offers a range of features that make development easier. It uses an event-driven model, provides rich server-side controls, and supports state management through view state and session. You will also benefit from postbacks, a clean code behind structure, data binding, built-in security, and reusable layouts with master pages and user controls. Web Forms follows a layered architecture. The presentation layer includes .aspx files and controls. The business logic layer handles application rules, and the data access layer connects to databases and manages data. One of the biggest advantages of Web Forms is rapid development. Its rich set of controls and seamless integration with tools like SQL Server and Azure make it ideal for enterprise applications. However, Web Forms does have some drawbacks. View state can increase page size, and developers may find limited control over HTML. The event-driven model can also be unfamiliar to those from traditional web backgrounds. Web Forms is best suited for applications that need a rich user interface and quick development. It is commonly used in enterprise level apps and internal tools where stability and maintainability are key. While newer frameworks like ASP.NET Core are gaining popularity, Web Forms remains a valuable tool. It is still supported by Microsoft and offers a structured, rapid development experience for many real-world scenarios.